Hi friend, welcome my YouTube channel. My name is Shrikant and you watching review YouTube channel. Today I am taking about top new smart robots gadgets you must see. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon. Any inquiries of this video please comment me. Let's start the video. Number 1. Meet DanceBot robot, new generation of Bluetooth speaker, dance, talking. Dance robot toys for kids. Unique smart algorithm programming allows DanceBot to interpret audio input on the fly. It moves to the rhythm in its adorable expression of the music and voice messages it plays. It's the perfect innovative Bluetooth speaker. Rechargeable and portable Bluetooth speaker bring you more fun and happiness. Smart AI technology. Unique smart algorithm programming allows DanceBot to interpret audio input on the fly. It moves to the rhythm in its adorable expression of the music and voice messages it plays. It's the perfect innovative Bluetooth speaker. Rechargeable and portable Bluetooth speaker bring you more fun and happiness. Wireless Bluetooth speaker. DanceBot is a speaker with a bass and crystal clear treble that connects to your mobile device via Bluetooth and acts like a Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth version 4.2 plus EDR comes with wireless connection that allows you to play audio from any app on your device through DanceBot, be it your favorite tunes, audiobooks or even voice messages. Number 2. Case Movie LOVOT powered by Love. Robot that makes you happy. When you touch your LOVOT, embrace it, even just watch it, you'll find yourself relaxing, feeling better. It's a little like feeling love toward another person. That's because we have used technology not to improve convenience or efficiency, but to enhance levels of comfort and feelings of love. LOVOT will react to your moods, and do all it can to fill you with joy and re-energize you. It may not be living a creature, but LOVOT will warm your heart. LOVOT was born for just one reason, to be loved by you. Technology. Emotional robotics trademark is a robot technology that was created to stir people's feelings, through the ways that the robots look, feel, and behave. Number 3. UBTECH Walker, intelligent humanoid service robot. Walker is an intelligent humanoid service robot from UBTECH Robotics. UBTECH's mission is to introduce intelligent robots into every household to make everyday life smarter and more convenient. Walker marks a pivotal step towards this mission. Adding in new features to Walker's previous build, Walker boasts 36 high-performance actuators and a full range of sensors including force, vision, audio, and spatial perception. These allow for quick mobile and flexible manipulation, and the ability to become an indispensable member of your household or business. Number 4. Code Teaching Robot. Robable is a fun, interactive way to learn coding and programming. It features 3 types of magnetic coding blocks: action, logic, and function to create commands for the robot. The company claims kids can learn if-then logic, sequential logic, and problem-solving skills. Robable comes with 10 USB ports to add additional sensors like lights and fans. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the video. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. Don't forget press the bell icon. Meet you next video.